Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can perform database patching using OEM fleet maintenance. For this demo, our source environment host is OEL8KS02. Database hosted on this host is DBATRACKER. Its current version is 19.30. Our target environment host is OEL8KS03. Database name is TESTDB. Current version is 19.3. Mainly, these steps will be performed in this demo. Step 1. First, we will create a gold image from our source database DBATRACKER, which is on 19.30 database version. Second step, we will subscribe our target TestDB to this gold image. And third step, we will apply patch on TestDB so that it can be upgraded to 19.30 version. Let's get started. If you see here, our DBATRACKER is on 19.30. TestDB is on version 19.3. To start, we need to go to Targets, Databases. Click on Administration, Fleet Maintenance Hub. As you can see, currently we do not have any images. So we need to create an image. Click on Create Image. On Create Image screen, we need to select Source Details. Click on Select Oracle Home. Select Release 19. Here we can see different Oracle homes. We need to select our source host Oracle home, which is of 19.30 version. First row meets our criteria. Host name is KS02. Oracle home path is 19.30. Select this. Now we do not want to include custom patches, so uncheck this. Work directory. You need to provide a directory on our source server KS02 where this directory will be used to host copy of the patch. We are going to use this directory on KS02 as work directory. Credentials. You need to select normal host credentials. I'm using this name credential oracle_cred. Image details. We need to provide few details about the image we are going to create. So I have already put the names. Image name will be 19.30 gold image. So I'll put it here. Image description, gold image for 19.30. Version name, I'm going to put it as version 1 or let's say 19.30. Storage will be software library. Storage type for software library should be OMS shared file system or NFS. Ours is on OMS shared file system, so we'll select this. Our software library name is swlib, so it's auto selected. Image location software library, this is auto populated. We are not going to change this. Click next. Let's review the details and click submit. Operation submitted successfully. This is going to take some time. We can monitor the progress using target, databases, administration, database provisioning, procedure activity. we can see create gold image is currently running. Let's click on this. All right. So this is going to take some time. I'll pause the video and we'll connect once it is completed. Process is still running. Let's see our work directory. Okay, we can see some files got created here. All right. So our create gold image job is completed. Status is succeeded. Let's see our work directory. Everything has been cleared out of this. Now let's go back to target databases, fleet maintenance hub. We can see that gold image has been created here. Let's click on this, manage image. So this is our version of the image 1930 and state is current. Now we need to subscribe the target to this image. Click on target subscription. This is our TESTDB. Right now it's not subscribed. We can click on subscribe. Select TESTDB. Let's close this. Status is subscribed. Next step is to upgrade this TESTDB using this gold image. Click on databases, administration, fleet maintenance. Select database instance. We can see TESTDB here. So there are three stages. First is deploy software, where out of the box Oracle Home will be created on our target host. Second step is migrate listener, and third step is update. We can perform all three steps in one stage, or we can break them down. Click on TESTDB, click next. Here we need to provide destination Oracle Home, where we want a new Oracle Home on target server to be created. Let's go to our target server. So this directory I have already created. Let's copy this. We will put in destination Oracle Home. We are not putting any home name prefix. Now, here we have the option to start it immediately, but we do not want to migrate and update database in this stage. Okay, so we will uncheck these boxes. We need to select normal host credential for the target database AS03. I am using Oracle Cred as my normal credentials. And for privilege, I am using root cred. Now you need to provide a directory as work directory on target server. Make sure this directory has sufficient amount of space. Let's see. I'm going to use this directory as my work directory. Let's change this. I want to skip cluster verification utility checks. Click yes. Rest all remain default. Click next. Now let's review the details. Target database name TESTDB. Current release 19.3. Operation is ready to be submitted. Credentials are given. Destination Oracle home will be 19.30. Work directory. Skip CVU checks. Okay. So before we submit, we should validate. Click on validate. Here we will perform a full validation. Click on validate. Validation is running. Yes, it is completed. If you want to view the results, click on this prerequisites. You see, all steps are completed. So validation is successful. Let's close this. Now we are ready to submit this job. Click on submit. You can put a prefix. I'll put as 1930 test DB. Click submit. You can monitor the progress. You see 1930 test DB is the prefix of this job. It's easy to find. Click on this. It's running. It will take some time. Let's pause this video. All right. So we can see our job execution has failed. Let's see what is the error. Let's see at what step it got failed. On deploy Oracle database step, this is the error we are getting. Unexpected error, supported OS check, Java lang null pointer exception. Okay, so it seems to be a known issue, and Oracle support has provided a Metalink document regarding this. Since we are running this exercise on OEL 8 host, so we are expected to set this parameter in our bash profile, verify it, and restart the agent, and then retry the failed job step. Let's do this. Okay, I have set this parameter in our bash profile. Let's restart the agent. Agent is stopped. Let's start it. Agent is started. Now let's retry the job. Click on retry. Job is running. Let's monitor. All right. So our job is now succeeded. Let's verify. We can see files are created under the new Oracle home. Now let's go to fleet maintenance. So we can see deploy software is completed. Migrate listener and update is pending. These two steps require downtime. So far, to copy the Oracle home to new location doesn't require any downtime, so it can be done at any time. Let's click on this, click next. Now we will keep these options checked, migrate listener and update database. Again, select normal credential and root credential. Now we need to also provide SysDBA credentials. Since this is going to run data patch in background, it requires SysDBA credentials. Let's verify our SysDBA credentials for this database. Let's test it. So this one is not working. We need to edit it. Let's test. It is tested successfully. Okay, since this credential is preferred credential, so we will now use preferred credential instead of named credential. Go back. Let's click on preferred credential. Work directory is home Oracle work directory. We want to skip CView checks. Click next. Let's review the details. Now let's submit the job. Let's put a prefix. Click submit. Job is submitted. We can monitor the progress. All right. So we can see our TESTDB upgrade job is succeeded. Let's verify at server level. Database is running. Listener is also migrated to 19.30. Aura tab is modified. In profile, Oracle Home is set to 19.3. Let's set the environment again. All right. So database is now running using 19.30 Oracle Home. Let's verify from OEM. All right. So we can see TestDB is now on 19.30 version. So this concludes the fleet maintenance patching using OEM. Thank you.